it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions for seamless streaming. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and navigate to the App Store from the home screen. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Step 2. Use the search function to find the Pluto TV app. Type Pluto TV in the search bar and select the official app from the results. Step 3. Download and install the Pluto TV app on your Apple TV. Wait for the installation process to complete before proceeding. Step 4. Open the Pluto TV app once installation is finished. The app will display the main interface with various channels and content. Step 5. Navigate to the Settings or Account section within the Pluto TV app. Look for an option labeled Sign In or Activate Device. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your Apple TV screen. Make note of this code as you'll need it for the next step. Step 7. On your computer or mobile device, visit the Pluto TV activation website, typically at pluto.tv/activate or a similar URL provided on screen. Step 8. Enter the activation code shown on your Apple TV into the website and sign in with your Pluto TV account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Your Apple TV will refresh automatically and you can start watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.